Let's just start with this and see how I style it. Hi guys, my name is Deekshita and welcome to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So today I'm back with another fashion video. I think almost 6 months back I did a video very similar to this, like a summer edition of this video, which was styling clothes that I got from Sarojini Nagar market, which is in Delhi. And today I decided to do the winter edition for it. So I have some winter clothes that I got from Sarojini last year, and I want to style them to create very well-made, well-dressed, polished looks out of it. Because sometimes when you buy clothes from street market, it can look like they've been cheaply made or they are not of the best quality. And let's be real, that's not what we want. So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy this video, you'll find it helpful. If you like it, then give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share my channel with all your friends, and now without wasting more of your time, let's just get started. Now the first clothing piece is a sweater. The sweaters like these are very common in Sarojini. आपको ऐसे cable knit वाले sweaters, ऐसे simple से sweaters, you know, like sweaters are very common there first of all, and you'll get them in very cheap prices. मतलब I think मुझे ये दोनों 100 के पड़े थे आफ्टर बार्गेनिंग, और आपको इस रेंज में लाइक 100 से 300 की रेंज में काफ़ी अच्छे स्वेटर्स मिल जाएंगे. So I got these two and today I'll be styling this mint sweater. As I said before, ये काफ़ी loose और oversized है, so I'm styling this with skinny jeans. Then obviously it's very important for me to front tuck it because I rarely wear my sweaters, my t-shirts without either completely tucking them or front tucking them or knotting them. I completed the look with yellow mules and pearls because I think yellow and mint goes extremely well together, and this is how the look turned out.
Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change.
As you can see, the buckle of my belt is made up of silver, so I've matched all my hardware, be it the chain of my bag or my jewelry, because you know I always say for a well polished look, for a more cohesive look, you should always match the hardware or the metal that you are wearing, be it in your jewelry, accessory or belt or anything. So yeah.
Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend.
The next clothing piece that I'm gonna use is again a sweater, but this one is like a fitted sweater. Now this always reminds me of Waldo and it makes me feel like Waldo. Comment down below if you get the reference. Now for this one I'm thinking of layering something over it. जैसे कि गर्मियों में मुझे पसंद है कि sheer full sleeve का कुछ पहन लो, उसके ऊपर wear a half sleeve t-shirt. Similarly for winters I think you can take a well fitted sweater like this, या तो कुछ ऐसा पैटर्न में हो या फिर ब्लैक वाइट ऐसे कुछ सॉलिड कलर में हो, and then wear a or layer a, oh my god that rhymed, like layer a t-shirt over it. So I layered this very colorful t-shirt over this. Thought कि why not try a bright color over it, and I think this looks very good together. There is something जो आप बहुत easily carry कर सकते हो. मैंने आगे से इसको थोड़ा सा crop look दिया. You can tuck it if you want. As I said before, you can wear a leather jacket over it. आप इसके ऊपर कोई coat पहन सकते हो. You can wear a bomber jacket over it. Then I layered some necklaces over it क्योंकि ऐसे turtle neck या mock neck के ऊपर थोड़े लंबे chain के necklace बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. And then I completed the look with these statues.
If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 I can help you out.
So I went all out in this look. मैंने बहुत सारा कलर के साथ, पैटर्न के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है, and do tell me how did you like this. Now the third piece is definitely the star of this entire video, and this was definitely the best purchase of the entire shopping spree. So this is like a cream color overcoat, and this looks amazing. Plus this was a bargain, believe me. I think I got this for 300 or 400, and this is amazing. This looks so good. I was so happy with this purchase. Now to style this, I am wearing this monochrome look. मैंने ये yellow and yellow look create किया with this skirt that I got from Shein, and this full sleeve top is again from Shein only. This is how the entire outfit looks. I think this looks very chic. इसकी बहुत fancy vibe है. For accessories, I am wearing a watch and these pearl earrings. I think overall ये look बहुत fancy है. This is perfect for a good event happening in your life, and I am in love with it. Also, you can clearly see I completed the look with these heels that I'm obsessed with, and now overall I'm obsessed with this outfit only. This is like such a boss lady outfit, and I'm really loving this vibe.
Dangerous claws, movement she anticipates. A sight is set on her prey, like stars in the darkest night. Crystallized, fascinating. If you wanna stay alive.
The fourth clothing piece is again a very good purchase. I got this just for 250-300 की range में, and this is like a knitted cardigan, like her knitted hooded cardigan. ये मुझे काफी ज़्यादा कोरियन फैशन की याद दिलाता है. मतलब इसके कलर्स और जैसे इसका लुक है, मतलब अगर आप कोरियन शोज वगैरह देखते हो तो आपने देखा होगा कि इस टाइप की क्लोथिंग बहुत ज़्यादा पहनते हैं. एंड आई थिंक मैंने गॉट इट, उस टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा ऑब्सेस्ड थे विद कोरियन शोज एंड फैशन, and this instantly reminded me of that, and I got it. For this I again created a very monochromatic base. मैंने ये white on white look create किया with this white denims and this white top that I got from Shein. ये मैंने अपनी recent Shein वाली haul में दिखाया है. I think this top has a gorgeous neckline right here, और इसकी वजह से मैं कोई टॉप यहाँ पे कोई ज्वेलरी नहीं पहनूंगी, बिकॉज मैं चाहती नहीं हूँ कि फोकस इस नेकलाइन से हटे.
Claws, movement she anticipates. A sight is set on her prey, like stars in the darkest night. Crystallized, fascinating. If you wanna stay alive, if you don't wanna be her prey, don't stand.
I completed the look with these boots, and you can see कि जो boots है उसकी heel में pearl लगे हुए हैं, which are matching the pearl earrings that I'm wearing.
Crystallized, crystallized, fascinating.
Now the fifth clothing item is a denim jacket. I think Sarojini has the best denim jackets. बहुत cheap rate में आपको अच्छी खासी sturdy denim jackets मिल जाएंगी which will last you for years. Because I love combination of hooded sweatshirt with denim jacket. I think बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और दोनों आइटम इंडिविजुअली बहुत सिंपल लगते हैं, पर उनको साथ में पेयर करो तो लुक इतना कंप्लीट लगता है. Here I am wearing this oversized sweatshirt that I got from Forever 21 with these black denims and white sneakers. Now this is a very simple look. ये कॉलेज के लिए, everyday लाइफ के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable, बहुत ज़्यादा easy to create, और कुछ भी like there is no brainer in this. आप एक hooded jacket, hooded sweatshirt पहनो, hooded jacket पहनो, and the look will look and the outfit will look very complete, और काफ़ी अच्छा look आता है.
Fascinating.
मैंने एक लुक बुक क्रिएट की है which is denim on denim. I think you should check it out if you are into that trend. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all liked it. I hope you got to learn something from it. If you have some video recommendations or requests, then do leave them in the comment section too. Tell me what was your favorite outfit. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, I cannot stress on this enough. If you have not subscribed, then do subscribe. Share my channel with all your friends. And yeah, now I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye.